Hey guys, good morning. So it's graduation week. Yes, I'm graduating from the University of the Commonwealth of the Caribbean with my bachelor's in marketing and all that jazz. Today is picture day, so today I'm supposed to be taking my graduation pictures, collecting my gown, and all of that. But I said I was going to do like a braid out thingy like. But knowing me and my ear situation, it probably don't even turn out right. And I'm just like, shit, man, I know I'm gonna do my ear. But yeah, I'm going to pull it out later, not right now. And see how it turn out. Like, I just feel like it not gonna turn out properly. Like I did it the other day and it was fine. But then every time I try to recreate something, it just don't work out. Like it just don't turn out right. So we're going to see how this thingy turns out right now. But let's keep our fingers crossed that it does work out alright and it does look alright and all of that jazz. So yeah, that's one dilemma. Two, I'm considering whether or not to have them do my makeup for the pictures, because I just don't know how that's gonna work out. Like, I've never worn full face makeup before. The most I did was like probably just fix my eyebrow, mascara, and some lip thingy. That's the most I've ever done. So I'm very skeptical about doing it. I don't know how it's going to look, and I just don't want it to look like all crappy and then my face look like it just kick on with. But I saw some pictures with some of my batchmates that took their pictures already, and it looks okay, right? It looks okay. So I don't know, I'm nervous about it. I don't want to do it and then it looks bad, and then so I'm not sure if I'm going to do the makeup thing yet. But when I get to school today, I guess I'll talk to the makeup person and look at what they actually do and all of that and see. But yeah, I'm graduating, guys. I'm considering if I should do this like a two-part thing where I talk about like my old university experience, all of that for part one, and then part two I'd have like graduation and all of that. So I haven't decided as yet. So if I say part one to this video, then you know, say the whole other shebangs I gotta come next. So yes, guys. Alright, yeah. One more thing. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, share it with your friends, your family, and everybody, and tell them to subscribe and like and always leave a comment. Yeah. So I'm gonna get ready now. So bye. I'm always a so. Jesus. Anyways, see you guys on the flip side. I'm here at school now. I dropped off Amari, and then he didn't cry this morning. He didn't cry. I guess it's because probably he didn't see when I was leaving. And I know it's kind of bad to leave and not tell him that you're leaving, but he was playing and having fun, and I just didn't want to say, hey Amari, I'm leaving, and then him start crying. So kind of just go away. So he wasn't crying, he was playing and everything like that when I was leaving. The security guard over there still looked for me like, why this girl that talk to her phone? But anyways, yes, I am at school. It's pretty early. Nobody's here to do the thingy yet because it's 11 and I think it's about after 9 now. So I'm gonna try to fix my hair, and then I decided to do the video in 2 parts. So I'm going to just do the experience thingy what it was like being here, and then do the graduation separately. I wanted to like video when I was doing, if I choose to do the makeup and while I'm taking my pictures, but I'm using my phone, so it's not like I have anything, to hold it up with or anything, or have anybody to do it for me, so I might not do that part. So yeah, sorry. So UCC is one of those universities that if you are you're not into like those huge compounds and all of that, it's a good place to be, and I would recommend UCC to anybody because they're good. Most of their lecturers are fairly good and know what they're teaching, and you know, everywhere you go you're going to have those that are rubbish everywhere you go. But yeah, it's a good school and I'd recommend it to anybody. So here's my experience, the friends that I've met, the persons that I like, lecturers and all of that, my experience. So I'm going to start off by talking about how I ended up at UCC, how I got here, and I went to St. Jago High School, and they had what was it, some expo for and different universities come in, talk about their programs, everything like that. They were signing up, it could be applications at the same time and everything. That was when 6th form, yeah, that was when we were in 6th form, and all my friends were signing up, you know, they just signed up for different things and stuff, and I was just there and I was like, no, but I signed up for nothing because first of all, I mean, I have no money for going to no university, so what else did I? And my friend Kadisha, like, we left the room, no one thing, and Kadisha was like, you sign up? And I was like, no. And she's like, girl, go and go sign up for the something, blah blah blah. And I'm like, Kadisha, like, there's no point in me signing up, it's not like I'm gonna go. And she's like, you don't know that, so go and go sign up for the something. And I did. I went back to the room, and the guy that was there, I don't remember his name, but he was the recruitment officer at the time, and he was talking about the fields that are most viable now, and he was talking about marketing and all the rest of the things. So I just randomly put down marketing and all of that, and he was saying, oh, you have that amount of subject? And I was saying, yeah. So he's like, with that you can go on the honors program, and with the honors program we'll pay a part of your school fee for like the first 2 years and all of them. It's like, oh cool, yeah, alright, cool, sign up. But I still didn't like feel like I was gonna go. But anyways, so I signed up for there. I applied for UA as well. I didn't apply for UTech. I've never been a fan of UTech, and UA, everybody that go UA, so I apply for UA too. But in the back of my mind, it's like, no, I'm not gonna go. But anyways, I ended up getting accepted to UA and UCC. UA, what I had applied for was HR and nursing, and I got accepted for those 2 programs. And then I had acceptance here at UCC for the marketing, so I had to choose first which school I'm going to go and which program I'm going to go, because I got accepted for all of that. So I was like, alright, UCC is going to give me that partial scholarship for the honors program and all of that. So I went to UCC. So I ended up here at UCC, which is like way smaller compared to like a UA, because UA is huge. Every time I go UA, I get lost. But UCC is small and all that, but I liked it. I like it being small and everything is just within your reach. It's I don't know, I just like it because one, I am not really good at making friends. Well, probably not say I'm not good at making friends, but as I said before in my previous video, I don't like a crowd. I don't like a crowd. So my friend circle is pretty small, right? And all of that. So yeah, here at UCC, come in, do that, and then I still have that going on and whatever. Come now, first day of school was what was my first class? I don't remember. But on that first day I met Lovine and I also met Deborah. We had the same, I think, I don't remember what class it was, but it was with Mr. Edie. Like, everybody loved Mr. Edie. Mr. Edie's like one of the best lecturers here at UCC. Like, so yeah, like Deborah and all of that. Which other friends I made here? Chanel is like super awesome. I met Chanel as well. Chanel come straight up until she left and went overseas. Deborah did go away and come back, and then we just kind of not be that close anymore. Lovine, me and Lovine still talk, even though probably not as close as we were before, but Lovine's like one of. Then there's Vanessa. She, what had any, I think I had a class with Vanessa too. I think it was same Mr. Edie class, but when I remember. But yeah, friends again. Davanish Miles. Davanish is like one of the realest persons that I know here at UCC. It was like super awesome. We had which class I did have with Davanish? I had more than one class with Davanish, but Davanish was just my party. You understand? My party. I'm still link up with Davanish. And then there's Kevin. Like, people used to think that me and Kevin they. Like, they used to say Kevin I'm a boyfriend. To who we did move. Like, everyone but there, Kevin did it. We sit around here, so him have him hand over me. Me lean on him. Everywhere me and him and Lovine, and it was just cool. But then he left as well. And we're not that close anymore, but we still communicate with each other. So those are the friends that I made. Oh, and I also I worked here for a couple months as a student worker in the marketing department, and I met Charlene Ashley. She was my manager, right? She was pretty rough. Nobody never liked her, but you know, them tough bosses, but you still like them. So I liked her, and Kadian was my, you could say, my mentor, because she was above me and everything. She would teach me and all of that. So I loved Kadian. Miss Ashley was cool, and I met Diane and Shani, two awesome girls, two very, very awesome girls. Like, there was, it was fun with Shani and Diane. So friendship wise, those are all the friends that I met here at UCC. Oh, and I was in Circle K at one point, but then I started working, so then Circle K meeting get cut, and I met Anishka, who also meet at Circle K. Alonzo, but Alonzo wasn't really my friend. It was just So I met a lot of persons in Circle K, even though we're not really close, but Circle K was super fun, and we'll go beach cleanup and all of that stuff. I have any pictures of the beach cleanup? I don't know, but if I have any pictures, I'll probably put some in here so you can see. Beach cleanup was always fun. I've been doing that since high school with Key Club and all of that. So yeah, that's for friends that I met. In terms of lecturers that I liked here, one would be Mr. Edie. I loved him. He's an awesome lecturer. He's not one of them lecturers that will just come and just read off or something to you. No, him nice. There's Mr. Edie. There's Miss Finnegan. What am I name? Mr. Powell. Mr. Powell is cool. He taught me what did Mr. Powell teach me? Critical thinking or something like that. I don't remember. But yeah. I try to remember all of the ones. I'm like, yes. Miss Denton Prince. She's awesome. She's one of them down to earth type of lecturers there. I'll try to find anybody's. What the accounts teacher the name again? Mendez. Great Mendez. Yes. Mr. Mendez in rough and people fail in class. But I was me pass. So yeah. And who again? Teacher that taught me applied research. She was cool, so Sylvester. Yeah. Her name was Miss Sylvester. She was cool. Down to earth. Teacher. All of that. So there was also this manager. Her name is Tajay Noko. Oh god, I love Tajay. She's tall, and it's not one of them tall and lanky people. That she's tall and she's elegant. She ever dressed nice, her clothes well proper, her hair ever on fleek, her makeup on fleek. And she was, you know, them manager the way you feel like, so because them are your manager, them above you. No, she never treat you like that. She treat you alright. She talk to you same way or she talk to anybody else and all. So I love her, but I love her. And every time I come up here, I come look for her because I like her. She cut off her ear now though. All her good ear. But hey, as it relates to the learning aspect here, overall it was okay. It was okay. There were a few lecturers who I'd rather not say their names that were utter crap, and you just want to put them in one barrel and roll them away. And like when time come for them class, you better just stay here and watch YouTube videos, because all them do read off a damn slide to you. Like if me they want to read off a slide, me that tell me hard. You send me the slide, then me can just tell me hard and read the slide myself. Like, what's the point in coming to a lecture if all the lecturer is going to do is read off a slide to you? Like yeah. But overall my experience was okay. I didn't party, I didn't have a lot of friends, because when I come school go home, or go work, come school, go back home. But I have to mention Renee as a friend, because my Renee a friend from high school, so yeah. But that's it for the experience. I'm going to my ear now. It's almost 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom, I'm gonna try start holding my ear. This video ends here. So stay tuned for part 2, which is going to be the graduation and me getting ready and all of that. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Oh, if you're a UCC student, you can comment down below if any of the lecturers that I mentioned that you like, or any that you didn't like. Yeah, we can leave those on in the comments. So bye people.